Local officials from Tiwi Albay appeal to the national government for relief as they try to reach isolated areas because of Tropical Depression Usman. Here's Romel Lopez with the full report.
Local officials of the province of Albay board fishing boats to reach Barangay Misibis. They carried food and water for residents who have been waiting for relief goods for more than 5 days. Help has been elusive after the Tropical Depression Usman battered Bicol region over the weekend. Landslides block roads leading to the villages like Misibis in Tiwi Albay. Village Chief Sani Coral laments the LGU's slow response.
Wala man lang na galing LGU na pumunta dito sa amin. Tapos ngayon mag-aano na hindi sila nagpabaya. Imposible naman ata po yun. Kasi biro mo 4 days na, alam nilang na may nawalang tao. Dapat baga, inano nila dito na binuntan man na. Tapos mag-aano pa sila na hindi daw makadaan. Meron naman dagat
But Tiwi Mayor Jaime Villanueva appeals for understanding as they also have to look for safer routes going to the isolated areas.
Ang hirap talaga. Dumaan sa dagat. Pag maalon, nabasa yung mga relief goods. Pero ngayon, may pinadala na tayo doon na magagaan lang muna basta mabigyan sila.
The municipality of Tiwi is requesting the national government to send food, water, tents, and other basic necessities for affected residents. It's also planning to evacuate residents in Barangay Maynunong and Misibis after they discovered giant cracks in the ground surrounding these areas.
Doon sa area ng Maynunong may crack. So i-evacuate natin, forced evacuation ang gagawin natin doon sa lugar. Kung ano ang advice ng MGB, susundin natin.
So far, 19 deaths had been reported in Albay, but authorities fear that this number could rise as they continue to receive reports of missing residents. For News 5, Romel Lopez, we are One News.